F for graphics management. How many 36 did you find? That's 37. Done. I'll tell you about the function. So A1 and A2 are the entry and ACA guideline. Adjust its size. You can control the slide-in and lead-out line. Pipe 1 P2 P3 P4. That's the size of the circles. You see, there is P1, which is a big circle. P2 is a small circle P3 P4. The size of this circle. P1 is the largest circle around it. P2 is a small circle. Let's make a 33. P3 P4 this is defined below. Then you press like this. Confirm that it is round. It will be different size.